Hi guys, Fred Zent here, Guarantee RV. Today I'm going to show you a 2019 Coachmen Chaparral. It's a 392 MBL. This is a new floor plan for Coachmen. Look at these heavy duty steps. Both legs extend if the ground's uneven. That way you got a nice solid stepway into your fifth wheel. When you come in, walk straight ahead. This is your middle room. This is like, could be an office, or the couch will fold down into a bed. And then you got storage below, a place to mount a TV. Nice wardrobe there with three full extending drawers. And then a little nook up above. Come on in here into the living room. When you come in here, this is opened up nice. You got opposing slides, come on around. You got your freestanding dinette, your 55-inch flat screen TV. You got your AM, FM, CD, DVD player, and then below you have a nice electric fireplace. That'll heat up this whole entire room. And then you got a tri-fold bed. On each side, you got cup holders. And then on this side over here, you'll have plug-ins, USB ports, and then you have room for knickknacks above. Over here, you got your stadium seating with plenty of cup holders. These do recline. And then you got storage above your recliners. Over here is your center island, Corian countertops, a nice double sink, stainless steel, very deep sinks. Put these covers back on, you got plenty of counter space. And over here you got a nice double door fridge and freezer. You got a nice Furion 3-burner stove, an extra large oven, and then you got your microwave, little pantry right here, and then over here you got just a little stand. You got your little power tablet that controls all your lighting, awnings, and then you got two deep full drawers there. Come on up here, I'll show you this particular unit has a bunk right above the extra room. When you pop into this bathroom, it's beautiful. You got a nice large corner shower with glass shower enclosure. To the left of it, you have a cabinetry for towels, toilet paper, and then you have your nice medicine cabinet with a nice big sink. King size slide out, which is nice. You got storage on one side. This is where your washer and dryer hookups are, or you can use it for clothes. More storage for clothes. Then you got a 4-drawer, fully extending drawers on both sides. If you look right here, you got all kinds of storage and a full pass-through. Got 2 outside speakers, a place to mount a TV. I got a 7.5 gallon propane tank here, one on the other side. If you look right up here, you got a full power awning, LED lighting all the way underneath. Guys, if you want more information on this 2019 Chaparral 392 MBL, give me a call. My name's Fred Zent. My number's 541-729-9500. Thanks for looking.